Hello everyone, I have an unboxing video here today. Just kind of a brief overview, let you know my thoughts, first impressions, and just go for it. So I had a lot of my tools recently stolen. I'm trying to replace them with some budget alternatives because I can't afford to replace them all at once. Renter's insurance wouldn't cover it. Fun times. So replacing my impact wrench. I formerly had a Makita impact wrench, and it wasn't cordless or anything. This is VonHaus. So this is actually a European brand, pretty popular over in England from what I've been able to read. This cost me about $70, I think, 65, 70 bucks on Amazon, and it had pretty decent reviews. Came with some different sockets that fit on there. So let's open up this case and get to it. I already opened up the box. I haven't opened the case yet, so let's see what we have here. The case itself, pretty decent construction. You know, just your average case that you would expect to come. Not super cheap like a Harbor Freight case, but pretty decent latches on there. They don't take too much effort to get up, but they seem to hold it closed all right. It's not something I'd want to abuse too much, but you know, gets the job done. Alright, we've got our instruction manual here. Awesome sauce. We've got our sockets. Let's take a look at these. Chrome vanadium. I don't have any sockets to remove today, or any nuts or bolts to remove today, so won't be doing much of a demonstration. Let's see, we've got the bright orange tool. I like my tools to be pretty brightly colored so I can find them easily. One difference so far, based from the Makita, the weight. This thing is a hefty boy. It has reverse and forward, so, you know, it's good. Good to have reverse and forward. Alright, give me one sec here. I will plug it in and see what the power is. Alright, she is all plugged in. Let's see what she does. Forward. Ooh, she's got some horsepower to her. Yeah, she's got some power. Let's see, what is the torque on here? It says it'll give off. Give me one sec, I'll be back with that. Alright, so this has 290 foot-pounds of torque, according to the website. Let's see what else we got in here. The voltage 120 hertz, 8.5 amps, no load speed, 2500 RPMs. Chuck is half inch. Based off the torque, I felt just using it, you know, it's going to be sufficient for everything I need it for. Will this work in a commercial setting? Probably for a little bit. I wouldn't want to be doing cars tires all day and night with it, but for the purposes I need it for, it'll be just fine.